Hi, I am York, and I'm the manager of the service department here at Test Equipment Depot, and I'm going to demonstrate the Fluke 115 True RMS digital multimeter. This measures resistance, continuity, frequency, capacitance, and a diode test function. It measures up to 20 amperes momentarily or 10 amps continuous. It has a compact ergonometric design for one-handed operation, and it has a backlight, and it's compatible with the optional tool packs. It reads True RMS AC for accurate measurements on nonlinear loads, and has min-max average with elapsed time to record signal fluctuations, and it is category 3 rated, safety for 600 volt safety rated. And thank you for listening. I am York of Test Equipment.